preparing your home for sale, there's a few tips you want to consider. Number one, make sure everything is decluttered. And I know you've heard this before, but really walk through a model home and look at how clean all the counters are in every single room. Now, model homes aren't lived in, so I know that can be a challenge when you're living in the home and using it, but do your very best to put appliances up in the morning, and kids, make sure you get a dump basket for all their toys and you can nicely put them in a corner. Secondly, the freshness. When a buyer walks through the home, they are inhaling, they're taking in everything. Make sure that the home smells fresh, it's clean. Go ahead and walk around the walls with a magic eraser anywhere, get down low, make sure that you're hitting the baseboards so that all the walls are clean. Next, I'm gonna talk about painting. Paint is the single most inexpensive thing you can do to your home to raise the home's value. And I mean painting the walls or painting the cabinets. On average, it's about $500 per wall, and it could do so much for the value. Colors invoke emotion with the buyers. It also can date your home. So the colors of 1990 will make your home feel like a 1990s house, even if it was built in the 2000s. So consider updating all the colors in your home to make it light and bright and neutral.